Hi, I'm Darryl Bolton, Director of Fairlake, which is part of the Seren Group. I'd like to tell you about the new homes we're building at Mariners Quay on the riverfront here in Newport. It all started with a commitment from Newport City Council, Newport Unlimited and ourselves here at Fairlake to create a site large enough to make a real difference in meeting a range of housing needs. We knew that we would be able to deliver genuine benefits for the community if we could buy the land at little or no value. However, if we got it right, this project would provide further momentum to the wider regeneration of the riverfront. A year or so later, what we see is over 100 new homes built earlier than planned, a major impact on the riverfront regeneration, and jobs and training for local people. The local community is actively involved. This is also the only project of its type in Wales to achieve what is called Level 5 of the Code for Sustainable Homes. What this means is people living here will see energy bills of less than £5 a week. So we are delivering our vision of what affordable housing can achieve through mixing tenures in a landmark design. And all of this comes from a forward-thinking partnership with a genuine desire to make a real difference. If housing associations are going to be able to deliver more homes like this in the future, we need public bodies to see affordable housing as a priority and release more land from their ownership.